Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore Booking Reschedule Trigger for Zapier and see how to automatically send updated booking data whenever our meeting is rescheduled to sync it with your workflow. To begin, let's head over to the account integration section, and under automation, we have Zapier. Since the Zapier account is already integrated with OnceHub, all we would need to do is select the relevant application. Now, from the list of given triggers or actions, we can just need to select the relevant trigger. Here, I'll select Manage Rescheduled OnceHub Bookings by creating corresponding rows in Google Sheet. All I need to do is click on Add Zap, and it goes ahead and automatically sets up the Zapier page for us. Booking Reschedule trigger is already in place. It is automatically going ahead and recognizing or setting up the OnceHub account. Once that is in place, next step would be to go to the test step. Here it will pull up one of the most recent records that we have for the relevant action. That is our reschedule. So it did pull up the most recent rescheduled meeting record there for test purpose. Next step, it is automatically filling up the details for the Google Sheet account there. Then it is in the background getting the fields for the step and configuring as per the workflow. Now, once that is ready, all I would need to do is select the drive, the spreadsheet, the worksheet, and the mapping part. So it is almost done. So it is getting the fields for the step in the background. And yep, in a couple of minutes, it should be all ready here. There we go. So select the drive. This spreadsheet is ready. If I have multiple spreadsheets or sheets, worksheets there, they would be available in the drop-down. Now, once the destination is selected, next comes the mapping. Depending on your requirement, you do have the option to select which fields or information that you want to pass. So let's say I'll be passing the name here, and select name. Then comes email. Now, status of the meeting. So that would be booking status. Then comes rescheduled reason. So rescheduled reason. Then the meeting time. That would be the new time for which the meeting has been rescheduled. Then I want to go ahead and see who rescheduled the meeting. For example, initiated by customer or initiated by user. So whoever goes ahead and initiates the cancellation, the option would be, or the data would be passed along with the relevant field and would be passed. So now I already see the test data here. Let's test the step. Once the test is completed, that means it should go ahead and successfully pass the information to the relevant sheet. So let's take a look here. So yeah, on our Google Sheet, we have the name, the email, the status of the meeting. We do see the reason. We do see the new date and time. And we see that it was initiated by the user itself. So the information is here. In case it would have been initiated by the customer, it would have been listed here. That would be their name. So that is how you can, once you see the data has been successfully passed, all you need to do is go ahead and publish the Zapier. That is, the Zap is ready and all the rescheduled meeting will be automatically synced. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.